Okay, now we'll see what is segmentation. It is the method in which the process will be divided into the parts and then these parts are put in the main memory. Okay, so these parts are known as segments. Now you will feel that what is the difference between paging and segmentation. Okay, so in paging, without knowing about the program, it divides the process in pages and put it in the main memory. So for example, there is a function add. Okay, there is a function add. So there are two processes, P1 and P2. P1 has frame 3 and P2 is in frame 4. Okay, so paging will divide the function without any logic. As shown here, one page can be in frame 3 and other can be in frame 4. When CPU executes F3, CPU will get partial code of addition and it will fail to give result. Okay, why? Because there will be a page fault, right? Because you cannot add two numbers without having the entire data, right? So to complete this function, OS has to bring F4 in memory. Okay, so means by just accessing F3, you cannot get the answer for this function, right? You need F3 and F4 to get the proper answer. Segmentation works in user's point of view. It won't divide the entire process directly into partitions like paging. It will divide the program logically. So this is the main difference between segmentation and paging. That segmentation will divide the program logically and paging will not divide program logically. Okay, so one more example. So this is your process which is having different functions like suppose mean, then addition, then you have subtraction, then maybe stacking, then square root, suppose. So square root. These are the different functions, and we can assign it to segment 0, segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, and segment 4. Okay. So every segment may be of different size. This you have to remember. Okay.